morning, everyone. We are the reporters of Methods of Voting, which is a topic from Module 6, Lesson 3.2.
Voting. Voting is a method for a group, such as a meeting or an electorate, in order to make a collective decision or express an opinion, usually following discussions, debates, or election campaigns. In 1992, former President Fidel Ramos won the presidential election not because he was popular but because he gained the most number of votes in an election based on plurality. What is plurality? The methods of voting. Plurality method. A plurality voting system is an electoral system in which the winner of an election is the candidate that received the highest number of votes. The winning candidate does not need to have a majority of the votes. Majority vote means over 50% of the people voting must vote for the candidate. In case of a tie, a special runoff election may be held. If votes are ranked, the candidate with the greatest number of first place votes is declared the winner. Example, there are 4 candidates in a pageant which are represented as A, B, C, and D. Now for candidate A, she got 356 votes and candidate B got 125 votes. While for candidate C, she only got 116 and candidate D got 97. In plurality method, the highest number of votes will automatically becomes the winner.
Plurality with elimination. The plurality with elimination method requires voting to rank all candidates in order of preference. The result is a preference schedule that tallies up the number of different rankings that have been submitted by voters. From the first round, preference schedule the method to determine the winner is. Count the number of first choice votes. A candidate with a majority of second choice votes is declared the winner. If no candidate has a majority of first choice votes, the candidate with the lowest number of first choice votes is eliminated from the schedule. These votes are allocated to other candidates based on second choice preferences. Steps 1 and 2 can be repeated until one candidate attains an absolute majority. Because this method can involve several rounds or runoffs, as candidates are gradually eliminated and votes are recounted. PWE is often known as instant runoff voting or IRV. The following example will demonstrate the plurality with elimination or instant runoff method of voting. Shown below is the preference schedule for an election with 4 candidates: Austin, Brian, Carolina, and Mary. Sa amin ni sisaan sa table sa kibali amo ini an first choice. Then pag voting na, di makita sa second choice, which is Brian has a plurality of 40% in the first round, but not a majority. Carolina has the lowest share of first choice votes at 10% and is eliminated. This share of votes is allocated to the second choice preference, which was Mary. So, ang good pasabot is if sa first choice gamay ani pili sa isa ka candidate ang pinakagamay na vote or an wayay gazud boto matangtang siya sa bali sa table magkakuha kibalian mga candidates huyog-huyog. After removing Carolina, some columns now correspond exactly and can be combined. The reduced schedule for the second round is sa mura kanini si Zaan ang abilin para sa second round.
Grupo ra lagi kamo tuyo dili tagkuang ko mute.
Karen.
Lay ko, Lay. Iba ta nila Tina? Oh? Ano na day sila Tina day?
Board account. The board account count method is a simple tool that is used in election and decision-making in version. Contemporary situation, each candidate give a number of points, and once all votes have been counted, the option with the most points awarded is considered the best, and therefore the winner of an election, competition, or others' decision. And the Borda counts method, points are given to each choice based on ranking. For example, the lowest rank get 1 point, and each consecutive put on the list gets an extra point. If there are 4 options, the top rank and therefore awarded with 4 points. Mathematically, the first rank gets n points, the second n equals 1, the third n equals 2, and fourth n equals 3, etc. Example, a group of 100 astrophysicists comes together for an annual conference. They live across the European continent close to the cities Budapest, Amsterdam, Oslo, and Sevilla. Oh, hindi ako na. To determine where the conference will be held, they decide to ask the Borda count method to vote on the most suitable location. The results of the vote are shown in the table below. The 100 ballots are collected and counting commences in the table above. We see the 53 balloons have a Mastradam as the preferred city. Mastradam therefore received n points. For Masterdam is followed by Oslo n-1, Budapest n equals 2, and Sevilla n equals 3. If all points are added up, the final scores is as follows. Amsterdam 212 plus 7 plus 25 plus 15 equals 259. Oslo 159 plus 28 plus 75 plus 45 equals 307. Budapest 106 plus 14 plus 50 plus 60 equals 230. Sevilla 53 plus 21 plus 100 plus 30 equals 204. Hoy, gamay na ay. Assuming the Borda count method is decisive for the choice of safety, Oslo is the winner in this vote. Ako na. Ako na. Ako na. Ano na. Pero, pairwise comparison. Each candidate is compared one-on-one one-on-one with each of the other candidates head-to-head method. A candidate receives 1 point for a win, 0.5 points for a tie, and 0 points for a loss. The candidate with the greatest number of points wins the elections. Example. Shaira have four suitors. All of them are good-looking, nice, and masculine. She were puzzled if whom she would choose among them all. So to this test them, she decided to compare them on one. Then she will give 1 point for the man she's in favor with and 0 if she dislikes. After comparing suitor 1 with suitor 2 and 3, suitor 1 received all 1 points. Therefore, suitor 1 got 3 points in all. Then it came between suitor 1 and suitor 4, which Shaira gives 1 point for suitor 4 and 0 for suitor 1. But since suitor 1 got 3 points in all, suitor 1 have been chosen to become Shaira's lover. That's all. Thank you for listening.